Okay, in this class we are going to discuss about this polarization by scattering. In the previous class we already explained about the this polarization, how this polarization has to be takes place. So in this class here, the polarization by scattering. So ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ polarization ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೈಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. So for example, if the light which is coming from the sun is incident in the atmosphere, so atmosphere ಮೇಲೆ incident ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the light is scattered. So that's why we can see the appearance of the blue color of the sky. So at the morning and evening you can see the sun is appears to be what, reddish, all those things. Those are some natural phenomena as to be takes place in the nature due to because of the scattering of light. Okay. So ಈಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ polarization ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So if the light is entered on this atmosphere, how the polarization has to be takes place, that we are going to discuss here. Observe carefully. So when the beam of white light is passed through the media, okay, so ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ atmosphere ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ತ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, so what happens, this media contains certain particles, so having a certain size. So in that case what happens, the beam of light is get scattered, ಹಾಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, light scatter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So observe carefully. Now I am taking the light which is coming from the sun. So this is the light which is coming from the sun. It is unpolarized light. So here the vibrations of the what electrons has to be takes place in the what, both the directions. It is a vertical and horizontal like this. Okay. So ಈ ರೀತಿ vibration of the particles ಇದೆ. So this is a unpolarized light. So this is a representation like this. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೈಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, so this is one particle or the particles which is present in the what, a media. So particle in the media having the certain size, okay, medium. In that case what happens, when the light is falls on this particle, it has to be scattered, okay, and we get the scattered light absorbed by the observer like this. So this will be vanishes and we can see the dots like this. So we already know that the light is polarized means what, we get the in a particular direction only. Okay, so it is we get the any direction. Here it is the plane, so we can say it is a plane polarized light. So we can say it is the what, a plane polarized light. So here the light is what happens, scattered. So this is what, a scattered light, and this scattered light is what, polarized. Scattered light is a polarized. So this type of the a polarization we call as a what, a polarization by scattering. So this phenomenon we call as the polarization by scattering. Now in this case what happens here, or what we are observed in this diagram, observe carefully, whatever the unpolarized light is there and this polarized light is there, what is the angle between those two is how much is there, 90 degrees there. So this light is observed that the angle 90 between the observer, here is an observer here, whatever the light is receiving here is the observer and is the what, unpolarized light. So the angle exists between those two is how much, 90 degree. So in that case what happens, the vibrations of the electric field vector of an incident wave in a direction parallel to the what, this double, see in that case what happens, these are the what, the particles vibrating in this direction, and here you can take this one, so it is parallel to the water, parallel to the double arrows, so do not radiate the energy to the observers. Compared to this observer, these are the what, vibrations has to be takes place is in parallel directions. In that case that energy is not radiated to the observer since their vibrations has no transfers anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So in case of transverse wave and what, longitudinal waves we see, so the polarization takes place in case of transverse wave only, not in case of the what, longitudinal waves. So because in that case, in case of longitudinal waves, if the particles of the vibration and direction of the propagation both are in the same direction, so that in that case we are not observed the what, this polarization effect. Okay. So in this case, the radiation scattered by the molecule is represented by the dots. So here whatever the dots is represented here, so this indicate that the scattered light. So in this case, it is perpendicular to the water, a plane of the what, unpolarized light. So this shows the polarization by scattering. So in the same way, now we can go for this polarization by reflection. Means if the light is entered on the any surface, in that case, how the polarization of reflection has to be takes place. You can see in the next.